So welcome back. This is the second video in the series where we're looking at some activities that we as Christians are engaged in or can be engaged in, but cannot replace the personal study of the scriptures. So in this episode, we're going to be looking at reading books. Books are good, they are useful, but they have their place, because it doesn't matter how deep the depth of the knowledge that you will get or that is being revealed in the book. That understanding is still something that came from somebody, a fellow brother or sister that have spent time in the presence of the Father, and they've written down. They are useful in the sense that, again, they can consolidate your knowledge, they can give you insight or inroad maybe to something you were struggling, you didn't know how, you could not understand before. But those things will only be a snippet compared to what the Lord would actually reveal to you, and the depth of insight you will have if, as a person, you decide to spend time in studying the scripture personally. So some people may say, oh well, it takes time. Of course it takes time. It will take time to have maybe in-depth understanding of something, but remember that we have the scriptures to study for the rest of our lives, for the whole of our lives. So it does not have to be, it's not time bound, so to say. There's no limit as to the time you have to have in-depth understanding of what is there in the scriptures. So that is my second point. So if you're getting value from this video, can you please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel? If you're somebody that is already interested in studying the Bible personally and you're not quite sure how to go about it, or you need some support in how to do personal Bible study, I've made some snippets of videos on this very easy and beginner-friendly method of Bible study called Soap Study, and I'll link the video here so you can watch that and see how you can get into Bible study very easy. If you want to look at maybe a verse of scripture, or maybe a portion, maybe a few theme in the scriptures. And in the next episode, we're going to be looking at another activity that we as Christians should be involved in, but cannot replace the personal study of the scriptures. And that activity will be this is actually one that people that maybe are already studying the scriptures use, but there is, personally, I think it is not something that we should be our to go, the first thing we do. So that activity is the use of the reading of commentaries when you're studying the scriptures. So see you next time. Bye.